Wise Owl Animal Hospital owner Dr. Joel Joseph is fighting the disciplinary action members of the Guam Board of Allied Health handed down against him last December. Dr. Joseph says he has been in and out of court with the board for the past 6 years over allegations he says the court continuously ruled had no merit.
That I talked rudely and discourteously to Dr. Harper. Basically, I told her, I'm going to take you down. And I don't deny that, but it was a private phone conversation with Dr. Harper. And the things she said to me were not even as nice as what I said to her.
Allied Health Board Chairperson Dr. Mamie Balahaja says members found him guilty of harassment. However, Dr. Joseph contends the board's intervention violated his rights to speak freely. Dr. Balahaja adds the board also found Dr. Joseph guilty of negligence for improper diagnosis of a dog's bone. But again, Dr. Joseph disagrees, saying this is why he is appealing their decision.
We did identify it as a hard tissue injury to the leg. Hard tissue is obviously bone. Okay, and we referred the person to another veterinarian. We did so very politely and encouraged him to go. It was over 3 weeks before the gentleman went there.
Dr. Joseph contends he is innocent, claiming the board never provided hard evidence of the x-rays taken for the dog. The board penalized Dr. Joseph and ordered him to take 10 hours of continuing education on ethics and orthopedics. Meantime, Joseph also alleges the board violated his rights of religious freedom during his disciplinary hearing process.
They denied me access to having my holiday celebration of Hanukkah. They purposely had this hearing on Hanukkah, which would be the equivalent of having it on your Christmas Eve. You just don't do that.
In court today, Judge Anita Sokola recused herself from hearing the case, something Joseph says was no surprise.
So this was expected, and it'll be assigned to another judge. And then they'll decide about the Freedom of Information Act, they'll decide about the Open Government Law, they'll decide about my religious freedom rights, the First Amendment, and etc.
Reacting to Dr. Joseph's actions, Dr. Balahaja says he has the right to appeal the board's decision, adding that it's not unexpected. Balahaja also tells KUAM Dr. Joseph's penalty was not severe and is a requirement for all practitioners. Meantime, no court date has been set yet to continue the appeal. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Nick Delgado.